Hello, my name is Dr. Shelley Sommerfeldt. I'm a psychologist and relationship coach with the Loving Roots Project. And today I wanted to talk a little bit about enabling and codependent behavior, as many people can struggle with these types of challenges. So first, what is codependency? Well, codependency is described as an excessive emotional or psychological dependency on another person, partner, or relationship. This type of dependency tends to lead to enabling of your partner's behavior with things like addiction, irresponsibility, jealousy, or other negative behavior. Having an emotional dependence on another person can often be described as relationship addiction because the codependent partner tends to be addicted to maintaining the relationship even when it's unhealthy. This is often seen in emotionally or physically abusive relationships, as one partner continues to maintain the relationship knowing it's unhealthy and destructive. But a codependent partner can also be unaware of their behavior and have minimal insight that they're enabling somebody else's bad behavior. The codependent partner might find themselves frequently excusing their behavior as being helpful, or something that they must do in order to help someone else. For example, the mother of an addict might enable her child by providing money and defend this decision without full awareness that her behavior is actually enabling her child's drug addiction. Codependency is seen in many types of relationships, such as the parent-child relationship, romantic relationships, relationships between siblings, or even coworkers. A person engaging in a codependent behavior is often guilted by the other person to continue enabling them. Now, I'd like to give you some common characteristics of a codependent person. You may find that the codependent person has low self-esteem, experiences a need for approval, a fear of abandonment. They worry about making others happy, or they have difficulty adjusting to change. They have a sense of needing to take care of others and feel anxiety about their relationships. They tend to keep quiet to avoid arguments or disapproval. They ignore their own desires for the purpose of another. They feel guilty about others. They stay in unhealthy relationships and find that they're always sacrificing themselves for other people. Now, here are some tips to managing that codependent behavior. Number one, understand your self-worth. The stronger that you feel on the inside and about yourself, the better you will feel overall and the better able you are to address these difficult situations. And number two, boundaries. This is probably the top tip in helping somebody who's struggling with codependency issues, because setting boundaries allows you to have self-worth and set limits for behaviors that you're not willing to tolerate. And number three, practice saying no. This may sound easy to some, but when you worry about other people's opinions, it can really be hard to decline other people when you're always sacrificing yourself for others. But it can actually be very healthy to say no sometimes. So be sure to put your own needs first. And number four, self-care. Engaging in a regular self-care practice will allow you to take care of yourself in an overall way, which will set you up for success in dealing with relationships. And number five, seek professional services. When codependency gets really extreme, often psychotherapy or coaching services can be helpful in treating codependency. For example, in psychotherapy, a codependent person may explore their childhood patterns or personality characteristics and learn many things that are causing them to enable other people, and it can be very helpful to make changes. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found these tips helpful.